Calling all small business owners. Ready to boost your online clicks and cash flow? Let's dive in. Ever noticed how you search for something online like a TV and suddenly see ads for TVs everywhere? That's retargeting. Now imagine using that same magic in your emails. With email retargeting, when someone opens your email but doesn't click the link, they'll start seeing ads related to your content across various platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And if they click on those ads, you earn money. Here's a no-cost email building trial to get you started. Clickly.com. We perfected this system to help you get more clicks every day. Imagine having thousands of potential clicks just waiting to earn you money. And every time someone clicks, you get paid. So what are you waiting for? Start using email retargeting today and watch your clicks and earnings soar.